Dear colleagues and guests, it's my pleasure to invite you on behalf of the Scientific and Organizing Committee to Mind in Bloom, the first ACPN Advances in Child Psychiatry and Neurology Conference to be held on November 22nd and 23rd, 2025 at the Grand Hyatt Hotel, Abu Dhabi. As a child and adolescent psychiatrist based in Abu Dhabi, I'm honored to be a part of this pioneering event in the region. It brings together a distinguished community of child psychiatrists, neurologists, pediatricians, educators, researchers, allied health professionals and policymakers. This conference represents a unique opportunity to engage in meaningful dialogue, share the latest advancements, and shape the future of pediatric mental health and neurological care in the region. Through dynamic keynote presentations, practical workshops, and stimulating discussions, Mind in Bloom aims to support innovation, foster collaboration, and inspire change for the well-being of children and families across the region. Whether you are a clinician, academic, educator, advocate, or caregiver, your participation, your voice, and your vision is vital to this collective effort. Mark your calendars, stay engaged, and prepare to be part of something inspiring and transformative. We look forward to welcoming you in Abu Dhabi in November for Mind in Bloom. Warm regards, Ahmed Alwazeer.